Okay, so for this little module, which is over copyright, there's actually only one that is an exercise. The other ones are just asking you questions about all the material that they show you. So, so this is the exercise. It's going to be called image squares. And it says, now that you know how to find and cite images you're going to create an image square with four different, one second here. Four different images placed into a table. One image is given as an example, but you should replace this with an image of your own, and 3 additional images. Search for public domain images to use in your image square. Even though you technically don't have to cite public domain images, put the citation in a p tag under each image. Your citation should be in the form of this, blah, blah, blah. Okay? All right. So what they want us to do is, oh, they're going to just have us listed afterwards. Okay. So we've got this little dog here. If we want, we can actually go to this website because we know that it's copyright free. What is it? Wikimedia.org. Let's see if it'll even let me go there. Software. Wikipedia. Well, we'll just go to Wikipedia. See if they have any other images in here. And of course they don't. So I'll tell you what. I'm just going to find images of stuff that I like. So let's say I wanted to put this image of Ultra Instinct Goku here. Now I can right click and say open image in new tab. And that will give me the actual image link. But I need to cite where I got it from too. And if I just left click on it, that'll take me to facebook.com DB Super Official English. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my site. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to get this URL, copy that. I'm going to go back to my images here. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to refresh. Okay, so we do have it. But obviously, we don't have exactly what we need, so we need to paste it there as well. And then, where was this from? I'll copy this one too, so that we give them credit. And then, I don't know how we can find the details about this. We'll just put Crunchyroll, and we'll look up the year that Dragon Ball Super came out. Let's see. 2015. Okay. So 2015. Where is it? There it is. Okay. So we will put our source as Crunchyroll. And 2015 was the year. So now we've got that. So if we refresh now we've got credit there for it. So I've got a beginning p tag here. Where's the ending p tag? Let's check my code. 4 images, 5 sources. Oh, okay. It wants me to like put one of these in each one. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, I don't have to do that. So let's see. Break. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm just going to go down. And paste it, but I have 2 breaks here. I don't need 2 breaks, so I'll get rid of one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I've got 5. Okay, so now let's see what our output looks like. Okay, so we've got all that. So now we can get rid of that, we can get rid of that, we can get rid of that. So let's say I want this one. Open image in new tab. I'm going to copy the image URL. I'm going to go back to my assignment. I'm going to go ahead and copy this whole thing, which now I'm going to have to go back and copy that image file again. And then I'm going to delete the URL for this one. I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go back to the assignment. I'm going to paste it there. Let's check. Why doesn't it not show up? Don't know. Okay, so maybe not use that one. Maybe we'll do this one. Open image in new tab. And this one we can copy and go here. We can paste it. Let's check. Okay, that one works. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these image sources in for the other ones. Copy, and then we can go back and we can paste our other sources in just a minute. We need to get rid of these though. Get rid of that URL. Get rid of that URL. And then we need to see where this is from. Rotten Tomatoes. So we will copy that. And we will go down here. Gonna get rid of this URL. Paste that there. Oh wait, undo that. We need to put it here actually. And we'll just leave Crunchyroll because I'm just going to do all Dragon Ball Super, and then Crunchyroll is the people that made it, so that'll just be the answer for everybody. But I need to go and I need to open this image in a new tab again. I'm going to copy that URL again because this is the URL that I already copied once before. I'm going to get rid of this and paste that there. Then I've already got that. Let's say that I'm going to get, I don't know, this one is fine. Open image in new tab. Copy. Go back to my image sources. I'm going to put one here. And then got to put it here again. Paste. And then this one is from IGN, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back to images. Paste it there. And then I need one more image. I don't know why it says I need 5 sources when there's only 4 images. That's kind of strange, but okay, whatever. And this time I'll get need to make sure it's actually from Dragon Ball Super. This one's Dragon Ball Super. Okay, so open image, a new tab. Copy the URL, go back to the assignment, put it in here, and then I also need to put it down here. And then this is from whatever this is, CBR timeline something. I need to go here to this Facebook one, get rid of that, paste that there. And let's see. Okay, so I have 4 and I have 5 because I'm just going to duplicate this. I don't know why I need another source tag. That doesn't make any sense to me. But we've got it. Let's check our test cases. Let's see if it works. Boom, got all 5. So we can click submit and continue. Submit and continue. And we are all done with that one.